Sir, my name is Yolanda Rasida. I'm an English teacher at SMA Vidya Bhakti teaching 11th grade science student. In this video, I will demonstrate how I use digital learning media to teach English, specifically focusing on the topic of recount text. The learning media I use is Canva. Through Canva, I can create engaging and visually appealing presentation slides. In the process of creating and recording this learning media, I use a laptop to design the material on Canva and a smartphone to record the presentation. How do I use Canva? First, I create the material using a regular PowerPoint. Then I copied the content from the PowerPoint slides into Canva. In presentation, I choose this template. I choose this template. I copied the content from the PowerPoint slides into Canva. Like this. Copy it. Control C. And then the third slide. Copy. To be like this all the way to the end. After completing the design, I download the finally version and save it on my computer like this. And share. Download and choose PPT X and download. This is we can cook. This is the result. Good morning, class. Good morning. Are you excited to join the class today? Yes. Okay. Our topic today about recount text. Do you know recount text? No. No. Okay. Recount text is a text that retells past events or experiences in the order in which they happen. So guys, recount text refers to the text talk about happen past, like experience. The main purpose of recount text is to inform or entertain by retelling event from the past. Misalkan kamu ingin menceritakan kamu punya pengalaman kepada orang lain, itu tujuannya, ingin menceritakan atau memberi informasi mengenai kamu punya pengalaman. Okay. Structure of recount text. There are three structures of the recount text. The first, orientation. Provide information about who was involved, what happened, when, and where. Orientation usually talk about introduction. In the introduction, there are who is a person, when, the time, and where, the place. A second structure is event. Describe the series of events that occur in chronological order. And the last, reorientation, a personal comment or conclusion about the experience. In the reorientation, we can know the conclusion. We can know the conclusion of the text. Kita bisa tahu dia punya konklusinya itu pada bagian conclusion. Conclusion. What is conclusion? Kesimpulan. Language feature. We should know the language feature if we want to learn we should know the language feature if we want to write the recount text. Kita harus tahu dia punya ciri kebahasaan ketika kita ingin menulis sebuah teks recount text. The first, past tense. The tenses we use in the recount text is simple past tense. The example words like when, so, and visit. Do you know when? When. What is simple past of the simple present of the when? Present of the when. What? Go. Yes. Go is simple present of the when. When is simple past tense. And the second, action verb. Action verb in Indonesia is kata kerja aksi. Tahu kata kerja aksi? Duduk, kata kerja aksi itu tidak? Aksi. The example like play, work, and watch. Play. Tahu play? Play, bermain. And the third, time connected. Time connected itu kata penghubung waktu. Kata penghubung, ingat TPG. Time connected itu kata penghubung waktu. Like then. Time connected. And the last language feature is adverb of time and place. What is adverb of time? Adverb of time. Kata keterangan waktu. Like yesterday, last weekend, and at the beach. Okay guys, do you understand about my explanation? Yes. Understand? Yes. I want to ask you. Recount text. Yang terjadi pada masa lampau. Oke.
Teks yang menceritakan kembali kejadian yang telah kita lalui baik di masa lalu.
Oke. yang
pengalaman masa lampau.
And it is the example of the recount text. Nah, gamenya kan kata-katanya acak toh. Tahu acak?
Tahu yang
Bu.
Bu.
Acak-acak itu.
Ya Bu, acak hurufnya.
Nah, nanti kalian ini kan contohnya when the I zoo yesterday zoo. Nah, ini kan tidak sesuai struktur dia toh. Masih ingat struktur simple past tense?
Masih Bu.
Nah,
Subjek.
susun dia punya kata-kata ini nanti menjadi sebuah kalimat dalam bentuk simple past tense. Ini contohnya, lihat back contohnya. Contohnya Kak, ini huruf pertama kita taruhkan di I ini kan I pertamanya toh, kan duluan subjek di I. When itu kan sini. Dari sini subjek. Terpaham?
Paham Ibu.
Oke. Kalau begitu siapa yang mau coba? Ini nomor 2. A last show night movie scene. Siapa yang mau coba? Angkat tangan. Coba Febri.
Ibu bisa lihat ya Bu Ge. Apa ya?
Iko lanjutlah pembukanya.
Iya aku.
Oke, saya sih. Lihat baik-baik sini. What the word after C? So. Okay. After a
Naik.
night. A night.
Move, Ibu.
Apa?
Move last night.
Ini.
Last night.
Yes.
Nah. Ini saya.
And the
Same time.
V. After
We play.
We play school. School.
After school.
after school. After school. Perfect. He
Lunch.
8 4
huh?
Lunch.
For
For lunch.
Oke.
Gampang kan gitu.
Kan baik-baik. Yep. Ayo Boj. Apa Boj? Boj. Menonton.
Nonton apa?
Cili.
Kita tahu.
Oke. Terus tarik di bawah sini. Oh, bisa kan?
Oh iya.
Clean. After clean
again.
Sabar.
The. Okay. Claudia. What is the first? Huh?
A book.
A book. Huh? Okay. Last week. Okay. My. Okay. Mother. Okay. Okay.
Perfect.
What is the first one? C. Besar sudah. The second. Sa. The third. Besar sedikit suara. Okay. Claudia. V, not V. Okay. The third. Okay. After. Okay. Apa? He. Terus yang kedua.
Lunch.
Ya.
At.
Bukan at.
Eight.
Terus.
Lunch.
For lunch.
For
Lunch.
lunch. Terus. Ini. They. Okay. They visit.
On the
Sunday.
park Sunday.
Sabar.
The
Park.
okay.
Okay.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Hai.
Okay.
I.
Okay.
Ide.
Watch.
The TV.
The apa sudah tadi? TV.
TV mode.
Okay.
In the morning.
In the
Morning.
Ini kalian ini.
My mother.
Okay.
Plus.
Cook it.
Cook. Bukan cookie. Cook. Okay. Kalau ini
He
Itu.
walk.
okay.
Walk to school.
Okay. And the last number C.
See now. Week. Buku. Book.
Book.
Salah.
Class.
New.
A new class week.
Untuk meningkatkan kamu punya grammar, kamu lebih pilih pakai game begini atau jelas di papan? Pakai game, Bu. Pakai game karena lebih mudah dipahami dan dipahami. Asik atau tidak? Okay, class. Before we are finishing the material, I want to ask you a. What is the recount text? Febri.
Recount text is text related to events, to past events.
Okay. What are the structure of the text? Okay, correlation, event, once again, please.
Orientation, event, and reorientation.
Febri.
Orientation, event, reorientation.
Okay.
Okay.
Kalau tenses,
Saya miss.
arti
Use simple past tense miss.
use simple past tense. Berarti kita menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama, kedua,
Oke.
participant, and thank you for your sleeping. Your welcome is